Good day, children. Here we have two numbers 23 and 44. Can you tell me what will be the answer when you add 23 and 44? Yes, you're right. The answer is 67. How did you give me the answer? You gave me the answer by counting the number of digits in the ones place as well as by counting the number of digits in the tens place. Is that so? Yes. By keeping this in mind, in today's class we are going to learn some of the new ways where we can do the addition in more easier way. Before that, let us recall some of the concepts that we have already learned. The numbers that we add are called as the addends, and the answer what we get is called as the sum. And here we have 23 and 44 are called as the addends and 67 is called as the sum. So the answer in addition is called as the sum. Then we have learnt about rules of addition. Rule 1. When you change the order of numbers being added, the sum does not change. Example, when you add 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3, the answer will be 8 and the sum does not change. Rule 2. The sum of any number and 0 is that the same number. When you add any number with 0, you get the same number. Example, 7 plus 0 gives you 7. And today we are going to learn about addition strategies. What do you mean by strategies? Strategies helps us to add the numbers in more easier way. There are three main ways: breaking up only one number, counting in tens, and breaking up both the numbers. Strategy 1. Breaking up only one number. Example, here we are going to add 33 with 25. As the strategy says, we are going to break up only one number. The second number has been split up into 20 and 5. 25 has been split up into 20 and 5. First, we need to group up 33 with 20. So 33 plus 20 gives you 53. Now, grouping up 53 and 5, we have 53 plus 5 gives you 58. So, 33 plus 25 gives you 58. And this is the procedure we follow in breaking up only one number. Strategy 2. Counting in tens. Example, 33 plus 25. As the strategy says, we are going to expand the number 25 in terms of tens. That is 33 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Now by grouping 33 and 10, we have 43 plus 10 plus 5. And then by grouping 43 and 10, we have 53 plus 5. So now 53 plus 5 gives you 58. So 33 plus 25 is equal to 58. Strategy 3. Breaking up both the numbers. With the same example, we are going to break up both the numbers. 33 is split up into 30 and 3, 25 into 20 and 5. Now, by grouping the tens, we have 30 plus 20 gives you 50, and grouping the ones, we have 3 plus 5 gives you 8. Therefore, by adding 50 and 8, we have 58. So, 33 plus 25 gives you 58. Now, let us recall the concepts that we have learnt in today's class. We have learnt about addition strategies. Addition strategies helps us to do the addition in more easier way. And the three main strategies are breaking up only one number, counting in tens, and breaking up both the numbers. Thank you, children. Let's all meet in the next class.